If you were looking into your videos for the answers to how fast, how far, and how high, sit back and relax. The good news is that you can unlock the data behind your footages using any of the telemetry extractor applications. So it's probably very clear that I am intending to show you how a video with telemetry is recorded. The telemetry feature adds an immersive layer to your story by providing stats about the action as it unfolds on screen, from how fast you were speeding to how high you climbed and how many G's or gravitational force you pulled in your best track turn. GoPro telemetry, not being an exception, taps into the GPS capabilities of the camera by capturing data about your GPS path, speed, altitude, G-force, elevation gain, and whatnot. The results are overlaid as graphics on your videos, making the content more meaningful. The overlays are customizable, and doing that is not a rocket science. In modern cameras like the one I am using, which in fact is an action camera, first and foremost you need to switch on the GPS while recording.
ध्यान दीजिए, कुर्सी की पीठ चिबाने का संकेत कुछ समय के लिए ऑन रहेगा। आपसे निवेदन है कि अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए कुर्सी की पीठ बांधे रखिए। ना मास्क, नाक को मुंह ढक कर पहने रखिए। मास्क न पहने रखना एक दंडनीय अपराध है और सख्त कार्रवाई के अधीन है। प्री ऑर्डर सेवा के बाद इस उड़ान में जलपान शुल्क के साथ ही उपलब्ध है। हम कड़े स्वच्छता नियमों के साथ स्वादिष्ट जलपान आपको पेश करें।
So that's very clear that it would drain the battery at a faster rate. But knowingly, I did so in my recent trip to Ranchi as I wanted to track the readings, and the eagerness was so high that the only place I stopped in the airport was this. After recording the footage, all you need to do is to import them into the GoPro Quik application. An Android version of the same is available in the Google Play Store, but that's payable. Followed by the import, just add the stickers mapped to speedometer, altimeter for altitude, direction, path taken, G-force, etc. in order to make the footages more informative and meaningful. I shot some amazing footages, and I tell you, at an altitude of roughly 40,000 feet above the sea level, it's an entirely different story, and the clouds never fail to surprise us. Footage was taken of course at the time of landing, and the stability of the camera can be seen if not admired. Now the altitude recorded is 2131 feet while we landed in Ranchi. Let's check online, and it's 2140 feet, which in fact is close enough to what the camera recorded. So the calibration of the camera is not bad. I am sure now that you know how telemetry works, and in the next trip of yours, consider working on the telemetry details. And finally, the reason why I stopped in Delhi airport was accompanied by the ghazal of Saregama Karwan later in the evening. I hope you like the content, and for more such videos, you very well know what's expected of you. Thank you very much for watching Wonders 4x4.